Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 online digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets, one account, day 63 I believe. Now the reason why we only using one account of My Lead Gen Secrets, even though it's recommended to have multiple accounts, is because I want to sort of emulate what people would make if they were to just start. So I'm trying to show you what you make if you just start and get in the system and kind of emulate what I'm doing here. That's why, and with a very small amount of investing, I guess you could say. Before we get to it, make sure to check the links in the description if you want to follow along. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right, first off, I want to talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. Number one, because it's a very silent and lucrative funnel builder with no limitations at all. That means you can make as many pages as you want. You can connect as many domains as you want on it. You can many people as you want can look at it. Many people as you want can sign in. You can have all the contact information, all that stuff, unlimited, everything. Make as many funnels as you want, so on and so forth. Now, the most popular funnel builder right now is ClickFunnels, and ClickFunnels is $97 per month with all kind of limitations on all of what I just said. You know what I mean? As many certain like things like as many people that can look at your funnel. Got all kind of limitations on everything. And even if you upgrade to $300 per month, you still got certain limitations that you can't surpass, which is insane to me. Paying $300, you should have no limitations at all on anything. Anyway, that's one reason why I like promoting. The second reason, I think the most important reason why people are interested in promoting the $25 online business, why you're probably watching this video, is because of this 80% recurring commissions. 80% recurring commissions is unheard of. Nobody else is, nowhere close to promoting 80% recurring commissions on their affiliate program. This is insane. That means that every $25 spent, you get 20 of it. Every $125 spent, you get 100 of it. Every $500 spent, you get 400. Every $1,000 spent, you get 800 of that dollars. That's insane, guys. That's insane. And it's very lucrative, very easy to kind of build up on. And the only thing that comes close is OnlyFans. I think it might not even still be 80%. It might be lower than that now, but because they was talking about it. But anyway, those are the reasons why I like promoting the $25 online business. I think it's a very lucrative affiliate program, which is worth it right now to get people in, because if sooner or later you're gonna build up an income with it that can pay for everything you need. Anyway, guys, let's keep it moving here. Let's see my results. So it looks like I did get a sale yesterday. Oh, hold on, I think that's a read. Well, let me see. Okay, guys, what happened here? This is not a sale. We did not get a sale today. But what we did get was a rebuild. This is a rebuild of a sale I got like 2 or 3 months ago. So it's still paying. They still in the system, which is amazing, guys. So I'm making this. It's so good. It's a good idea to promote this product. By the way, guys, make sure people refresh the page when they show you results, because it's very easy to change all of these numbers around, and that's all there is to that. You want to make sure they do that because it's very easy to lie to you guys and not show you real results. But anyway, guys, let's keep it moving here. We're gonna go into the mailing system, My Lead Gen Secrets here. We're gonna select all here, and we are going to pick the next email here. Well, we get past it can be biggest here yet. Yeah, we're gonna promote that one. That's the one we're gonna do. You just pause if you want to copy it. Now, you want to copy the email, you just pause it. Now copy it. So boom, copy that. Boom, copy that. Copy that. Copy that. And that's it right there, guys. Anyway, so when you get to your link here, make sure you put in your link here. I want to make sure I show where you get your link from here. You get it from All-in-One Digital Business right here. This is your link. It's the one you want to promote. This is the one I'm promoting. You can try other links if you want to. It's ultimately fine. That's just the one I like to promote. But anyway, guys, That's all it is to it. Make sure to hit perfect timing. What perfect timing does show the email around time. People check the email so it ends up on top of the list and they actually see your email instead of deleting it without even noticing it. Anyway, guys, make sure you link words. You just click here, you just hit that, it'll pop up. Okay, mine's work. Okay, guys, all there is to it. We send the email and we are done, guys. That takes no time at all. That's all I want to show you guys. Very simple. Follow along. You can make you some extra money on the side here and eventually build up to an income in which you don't have to work anymore. That's the goal. And we're getting there. We're getting there without hardly spending any money at all. We're making a ton of money for free, guys. It's so easy to do. Yeah, and all the links in the description. You're very interested in the program, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.